Hey there, Snapchat users. Are you encountering the support code SOS06? Don't worry, we got you covered. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to fix this issue and get you back to snapping in no time. Let's dive in. Step 1. Check your internet connection. The first thing you will want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to a stable and reliable Wi-Fi network or have a strong cellular data signal. A poor connection can sometimes trigger the SOS06 error. Step 2. Update Snapchat. Next, ensure that you have the latest version of Snapchat installed on your device. Outdated version may have compatibility issue that can lead to error codes. Head over to your app store and update Snapchat if needed. Step 3. Clear cache and data. Sometimes accumulated cache and data can cause glitches in Snapchat. To resolve this, go to your device settings, find the Snapchat app and clear its cache and data. This will refresh the app and potentially resolve the SOS06 error. Step 4. Restart your device. A simple yet effective troubleshooting step is to restart your device. This can help clear any temporary glitches or conflicts that might be causing the error. Give it a try and see if the SOS06 code disappears. Step 5. Contact Snapchat support. If the issue persists after trying the previous steps, it is time to reach out to Snapchat support. They have a dedicated team ready to assist you with any technical difficulties you may encounter. Visit Snapchat support website or reach out to them through their official social media channels for personalized assistance. If you follow these steps, your issue will be resolved. And if you have any question, then comment on this video. Must like and subscribe to our channel to get more interesting and latest information on social media.